Songbird. I hope you could play more. Thank you so much.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready? Ready. The 1 million brother, the 1 million VIP.
Yeah, the what?
There's 1 million VIP there. Maybe she can have a bonus. In VIP, there's
Let
a
me see
real
where that
1 million.
Just don't let me look. What, in the green VIP?
Yeah, green VIP in the, you go to the exclusive. Yeah?
Oh, yeah, I see
and
it,
then
yeah.
there's like
Yeah,
1
yeah.
million and half a million. Yeah, you have a chance to
Okay.
win a bonus for that. Ready?
Yeah, okay, I'll send it now, okay? The 1 million VIP war.
Let's go! Ooh, wow! Ice Dragon! Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you. Thank you so much to all who support people. And I always want to say thank you to our judge tonight, especially to Miss Asian Valley. Without you, I will never be encouraged doing this kind of cosplay. Also to Sir Blue, I'd like to thank you so much too, and to Sir Louis, actually, thank you so much. I want to thank all the elders who encouraged me and give me advice for my everyday life, and to not not to brag anything, but always stay humble no matter what I say now. Actually, it's one of the things I want to say actually is now is to thank everybody, to my supporters. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi ko po akalain na mananalo po ako. I can't even predict that this will happen actually, because all of my costume is just made of DIY, colored paper, such as recycled materials, and I spent 2 days for this, no sleep like that, and I just, even at my school doing it, and I'm glad that I do my best. And of course, I want to entertain also my viewers. It's because I don't want my show to be that so boring. I want everyone to be entertained. That's why I'm really, really thankful for. And also to our guest and boss, Dagani, thank you din po, and to every one of you again, thank you.
Hey, thank you. Nice one, Sunbird. Thank you.